Hey everyone, it's Larry here at LC Model Shipbuilding, and I know it has been a heck of a long time since I have really been posting and really been active in building. Um, some of you probably may or may not know I moved and I've been working on the house, so finally got a new work area set up, which should be able to let me build much bigger builds without having all of the challenges that I had in my old workshop. I still got to move in. Not all will be paints. I got like 3 totes worth of paints to go in and build some shelving and whatnot. But I figured on this video I was going to kind of show a little bit of what I've been working on over the past, I don't know, probably 6 to 8 months. So I built an older home. It's a 1904, and I've been really working on restoring it and kind of going back into what it would have looked like originally, or maybe not originally, but what I imagine it would have looked like. So, um, been obviously into model shipbuilding, Titanic era, Victorian era, Edwardian era, all that kind of stuff. So I really kind of focused on making the house look that way. So while it's not a model, it's been a really big undertaking, and I'm pretty proud of it. So I'll show the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, and just basically show what I've been working at, because I did all of my own tiling, I did all of my own walls. Basically, you name it, I did it. The ceilings. The only thing I really have left to go is stripping the floors down and refinishing them. But let's go ahead and take a short little tour, and then after that, I can very soon get back into model building. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen, and as you can see, basically it's got that old school kind of Victorian look. I built that, the stove vent fan, whatever you want to call it. I put the tile ceiling up, the copper tile ceiling. Did a old school antique bronze faucet. Did the flooring. Then I did a pantry out here, which this was just kind of a white room with plywood walls and all that kind of stuff. Put hardwood down, repainted it. Kind of made it have a little bit of a theme going on. So that's the pantry room here. And then this is the other side of the kitchen, just kind of showing that. So pretty excited with how this room turned out. It's definitely one of my favorites in the house. Over here, we did the whole dining room area. So obviously it's kind of decorated for Christmas, but got my whole Titanic hutch set here with all Titanic dinnerware. So pretty excited about this stuff. It's been something I've had for a while, been collecting it, but really didn't look quite right in the old house. Let's see, I did the ceiling medallion that is up here. I did all the wainscoting that goes around the room. Went with a green and tan type trim. But yeah, that's basically the dining room. So pretty proud of this one. Obviously, like I said, decorated for Christmas and got all that stuff going on right now. Let's see. Out here, we got the living room. Here we have the Christmas tree. My son's got some ceramics down here he's playing with and working on. But I've definitely tried to keep that older look going on. The coffered ceilings, I did all them myself. This was actually popcorn ceiling when I moved in. Then we got the fireplace, which also did not look like this when I moved in. It was basically just basically flat wall and brick around the outer part here. I ended up doing a tile. Oh, there we go. It came on. I put the trim on in here. I put all the trim around here. I did the mirror. And like I said, the coffered ceilings there. Did all the wainscoting throughout the room. Went with a older Victorian settee set for the main living room part here, and I actually restored these chairs. When I got them, they were actually just frames and had no upholstery, no cushioning, nothing. Basically had to redo everything. So I did them in the old traditional European way with springs in them, and I don't know. I think, yeah, this one, I actually did not put the bottom cover on it yet, so I can kind of show it a little bit. But it was all tied. I did the tying. I put new webbing in. Basically followed all of the old school way of doing this. So it's pretty excited about that. And they came from a really nice lady that they had been in her family since the late 1870s. And they actually had a marking on the inside of them from 1862. So they're definitely an old set and actually pretty nice. So I'm happy with them. This wall here, obviously wallpapered. I did all the wallpaper throughout the entire room also. And all the wainscot. I might have said that. Let's see. Then we got our Nutcracker friend here. He's always fun. I did this bathroom here, and this was basically just a standard normal looking bathroom. I did all my subway tiles, same with the kitchen, did the wainscot in here, did the tile flooring in here. But yeah, that's basically what I've been working on for the last several months here. And yeah, we got our door out here, and I even did all of my lights out there, like the lamppost light and the two doorway lights with the flame looking bulbs. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to show what I've been working on, and yeah, kind of excited about getting back to modeling. So yeah, that is the house. But thank you very much for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.